With daddy. How? How? You take this up. One. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. What is daddy doing? Big mouth, big mouth. Ah. Big mouth. Ah. Huh? Very good. Big mouth, big mouth. Ah. Very good. He understands. Big mouth, big mouth. Ah. Very good. Big mouth. Ah. Big mouth. Ah. What's daddy doing? Hi. Say hi.
Today is October 6th,
Yeah.
2013.
Hi.
There's the man.
Hi.
October 6th. So he has his doctor's appointment on Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 10th. Is that the 10th?
On the 10th, yeah.
Yeah.
She just like, look at that face.
Just looking at you. Hi, say hi. Hi. I want food. I want food. This is squash.